Nagpa-massage kami, guys. Let's eat breakfast.
I like it.
Ang daming feeling. Hey guys! So we are starting this weekly vlog, guys. Just a, digital diary na mga ganaps namin. So I'll try to post
A day in
every
life.
week. A week in a life. Okay, one
Day
week,
in a
one.
life.
So now guys, you are going to work.
Ulit-ulit lang
work.
din yung routine namin everyday.
Mga 15 to 20 minutes lang naman away yung workplace namin. See you later! Guys, it's my lunch break. I'm going to Dainties by Pia para mag-try ng Dubai chewy cookie nila. Here. Walang stocks pa dun. So I'm gonna try again sa Atrium. Guys, nandito ako ngayon kay MM. Break time namin. Fail yung Dainties dun, guys, kasi pumila ako ng mga 30 minutes. Tapos wala pa rin yung Dubai chewy cookie nila. Kaya nagpa-maxim na lang ako, guys, sa Coffee O'Clock, which is na-try na namin before. I think a week ago. And nasarapan naman kami. So nagpa-maxim na lang ako. Yung sa kanila is 105 per piece. Tapos if 1 box, 400. Tapos yung maxim, mga 50 pesos lang naman. So okay lang. So MM, hi! Okay, pumunta na lang ako dito sa kanya kasi sabay kaming kakain ng Dubai chewy cookie. Okay guys, let's eat. This is from Coffee O'Clock. It's our second time trying.
For you. And
Okay, so outer layer niyan is marshmallow. Tapos na kinote ng cocoa powder.
cocoa powder.
Tapos yung inside is the kanafi,
Basta.
flavored pistachio.
Yes.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. First bite. Tamang balance talaga
Ng tamis at ng bitterness ng cocoa.
I super like the mallow. I like it. Try
See
nyo
that?
to, guys.
Ang daming feeling. Ubos ko na.
So, yung dalawa, dadalhin namin to sa bahay mamaya. Dessert namin for dinner. Yummy.
Yummy. Order is here.
I ordered
Truffle.
truffle mushroom cream pasta. Then lemonade.
Sardo. Nagpa-massage kami, guys. Hey guys, Bangkalan City, but I have a separate vlog for that. Medyo masakit pa yung body namin from the long drive.
Nauwi kami guys, mga 8, no?
Mga 8 p.m. na.
na.
Kasi late na din kami nakapunta doon. Tapos 2 hours yung drive. Then yesterday guys, I think last night pumutok yung Mount Canlaon. So may ash fall yata sa bandang La Castellana and other parts na medyo malapit doon sa Canlaon. But here sa Bacolod guys, since medyo malayo na kami, wala namang any ash fall or sulfur smell, wala naman. Okay naman kami dito. We're here at Ishan's. It's a go-to breakfast place. Pork tapa. You.
May soy sauce.
Let's eat breakfast food. Here at Mr. Kokyo. Nabili ng
Guys, if you want my seaweed, bring your own.
Bibimbap. Bibimbap.
I brought seaweed. Kasi masarap siya i-pair with seaweed.
Okay. Dinner time guys. Magdi-dinner muna kami dito. Masarap.
Masarap. Pero mainit pa guys kasi nasa sizzling plate siya. Bowl di ay bowl.
Yummy. Wow. Hi.
We on time. So dito.
Guys, papahangin muna tayo.
Sideline.
Perfect.
Pila?
Away. Guys, hindi kami same ng schedule ni MM. So, mag-grab muna ako for now. Kasi 10 a.m. yung in ko. Tapos si MM, 11 a.m. pa. Let's grab some coffee. Time for coffee, guys. Hey guys, I'm out na sa work. And wala ako masyadong na-vlog today guys. Super busy talaga namin. Kasi ng sale CSM 3-day sale. Sobrang daming tao. Naka-lunch kami actually, mga 4 PM na. So hindi na siya lunch. Papunta na ng dinner. So last day ngayon ng weekly vlog natin guys. This is Saturday. I-edit ko siya starting tomorrow. So hopefully ma-upload ko agad. Mga ano lang, yung i-include ko is from Monday to Saturday. Ito try ko. Super busy today. Pero sobrang worth it naman kasi madaming tao. Marami kaming patients. Yo guys, MM is here. Yum yum. Time to go home to our fur babies, guys. Yan time.